Yo, what is going on, party people? Today, going on a walk with the fam, and figured I'd bring the tripod. I got all this fancy lavalier mics, so I'm just gonna do a timestamp of where we're at right now and where we're going, and kind of the thesis on this entire Iron ecosystem. So, hope you enjoy. I'm gonna start off with the 3 pillars of how I plan to make money in the medium to long term in the age of AI. So let's turn around. Let's first touch on Iron automations, and I think this could be, if you're just getting started in this whole game, then this could be really enlightening on what the path for you could look like. So I'll start off with Iron Automations, which is our agency. We're kind of just doing meta ads with a GoHighLevel backend, instant lead response. We build out a funnel, a site, and we get paid per lead, essentially after a setup fee and a small retainer. This is kind of the cash play. This is like one of the lower, it's linear. If you've seen Hormozi's video on the shapes of business, I recommend you guys watch that. But it's linear, and this is where I recommend everyone start. Trading their time for money, and then productizing, getting systems in place to where you can kind of take yourself out of it, raise prices over time, and just stack clients. But it's pretty linear. We're currently hovering around 9K MRR at the time of recording this. So I want to scale this up a little bit more and get it all productized, especially our onboarding fulfillment, and which I'm doing really well right now with the AI stuff. But that's one pillar, and it's the agency. And I think everyone should start here, generally speaking. But I have 2 more plays that I've been kind of cooking up in the background, which if you've seen the lives, you know that the lives have been going really well. You guys have been absolutely killing it on the channel. And this is kind of like the media side. And I just watched a video from Hormozi recently on how ACQ makes money. And he explained how media feeds his entire engine. And so I really took that into heart and started like full pedal to the gas on this thing. But I just started a school community, and it's been blowing up. Like, you guys have been absolutely eating it up, and there's like 50 members in there right now, and there's 2 guys, shout out Drew, shout out Joshua, that are in the Iron Operators premium plan, and we got a call tomorrow, so that's gonna be exciting. But this is like not really, I'm just kind of like doing it because it's low-hanging fruit, and I'm able to source killers in the community, whether that be in my agency, whether that be like if we want to hire from the agency. It's like a great pool of high talent, and you know, it's fun to do. It's pretty scalable, like 4 hours a month for me, and I get to share all these resources, and I think it's worth it for everyone. Shameless plug, first link in the description if you want to join Iron Operators. The free material is very extensive, so take that for what it is. And I think this could feed the entire play, which I'll get into next, which is the Iron SaaS, specifically Iron ACQ. Now, this is still being built out, and what Iron ACQ is a micro software, agents as a service, whatever you want to call it. It's basically an MCP server that high leverage operators can plug into their Claude code instance, and they can generate a list, they can enrich the list, they can verify the list, they can do tech enrichment, they can verify the ICP, all in one in their terminal. So the plumbing and the infrastructure lives on the Iron ACQ backend, and they plug their MCP server. There's a nice little onboarding form with usage. So that's like the long-term EBITDA play where you can get 4 to 6x returns if you sell. So that's kind of what I'm thinking about right now is, you know, this media side, finding the killers in the space and then giving them a product that they cannot resist. And you know, just trying to get users on that as fast as possible. So you got the SaaS play, which is, you know, high value as far as a sellable business. You got the agency play, which kind of funds the cash and float for give me the time to make this happen and make it all possible. And then you got the media for the 0 CAC acquisition channel, besides my time, right? So what this basically, it's like a giant ecosystem, and it's been pretty interesting to see how this gets built out, especially for, you know, some of the GoHighLevel marketplace apps, like an Instantly Bridge that I built out. Haven't figured out how to monetize that pricing wise yet, But the Telenix bridge for the cold SMS engine that we have, and the Iron Setter, which is a conversation AI that talks to all of our engaged leads and gets them into the booking flow. We're also running meta ads right now, but that's kind of where the current state of the business is. I kind of wanted to just make this video more for me, selfishly, of how I can visualize this ecosystem that I've kind of put together, and just give you guys some insight on how I think about all this stuff. If you like this video, definitely join the school community, like the video itself, and subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll see you guys in the next one.